Mary Jane and I have really been struggling with shoes in our house. We've got stuff everywhere and we need to try to organize our shoe collection. Got shoes by the back door, a pair of boots by the front door, probably shoes in the bedroom. I got this old shoe rack that I have from college. Got shoes by the door, shoes underneath this built-in in the mudroom. Our neighbor was nice enough to give us this shoe rack holder. It looks pretty nice. Mary Jane saw it in her house and she said it was super nice. And she was asking our neighbor, Jennifer, where she got it. And Jennifer's like, I have an extra one I'm not using. So she just gave it to Mary Jane and I'm gonna put it together. That's so nice of her. It says, let's see. It says easy to assemble, no tools required. So we're gonna see if it is as easy as it says. Kind of a lot of parts and pieces. Guess I better look at the instructions. Ooh. Doesn't look as easy as I thought it was going to look. Lots of parts and pieces. I suspected this thing is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. I'm starting to sweat a little bit. Well, I was almost finished, and I realized I forgot to put these things on top of each rubber washer underneath. So I got to take the whole darn thing off, apart, and put these back on. I am finished with the shoe rack. It turned out pretty nice, just like the picture. I would say that I'm a little bit concerned about it being kind of top heavy. I think it could fall over a little too easily. I do have two small children at the house, so I'm going to have to figure out how to kind of anchor this to the wall. I think I'm going to use maybe a fishing line or something, kind of attach it here and then maybe a small little hook in the wall. All right, let's go try to find a good spot for it and put some shoes on it. Huh. There's not a whole lot of room in here. Now let's just move this thing out of the way. I think we'll put Addie's shoes here on the bottom because she's the shortest. Well, Lulu's the shortest, but she's not able to grab her own shoes, so maybe when Lulu gets older, we'll move Addie's up a row. These were her brand new shoes, and we got them dirty at the Whitewater Center. She was so upset. Yeah, we have a lot of shoes. Her basketball shoes. There's a story behind why she has basketball shoes. I went to the Discovery Place Museum and we didn't have shoes, and Mary Jane tried to bring her in just in socks, and they said, nope, you cannot come in here and walk around without shoes on. And so I went all around Charlotte looking for shoes, and basically there's almost no stores in downtown Charlotte, which is crazy. There's no shopping anywhere that I could find. So the only place I could find shoes was at the Hornets fan gift shop. Or I don't know what they call it, but it was, those were the cheapest shoes that I could find. And they were about 2 sizes too big for her. She looked kind of ridiculous. it worked out. She wears them every now and then. I think it was like 40 or 45 bucks. It's crazy. All right, put Mary Jane's shoes on rack 2. For some reason, all of her shoes within about a month or two start tearing around her big toe. It's crazy. I think she just walks with her toes sticking up in the air. She doesn't leave her nails long, but it's kind of a mystery. I've never seen anybody do that before. Oh, shoot. I'm supposed to meet Greg at the pool at 12, and it's about at least 15 minutes from here. Okay. I better finish up. There we go. This thing's pretty wobbly. It's got me a little concerned.